Hello everyone, welcome to Africa, Kampala, Uganda guys. And if you're watching from Shillong, Meghalaya, Kumno Plong Paralo guys, so I really miss you guys. I really miss you all, Meghalayan people, Khasi people. So today I'm making a special vlog for you guys to keep the connection or to restore the connection because it's been really long guys without talking. And I said let me show you my home and Africa guys. Just have a look. Yeah, let's pray for someone who is in the ambulance. Hope they will get recovered guys. So welcome to Kampala guys, the capital city of Uganda, and I want to show you a lot. And before everything, I hope all the Khasi Meghalayan people, whether Garo, from Garo Hills, hope everyone is doing well guys. And I was wondering what happened guys, like I believe and I know most of my followers, subscribers, they're from Northeast India, especially Meghalaya guys. But since I start posting about Africa content guys, I'm not seeing any interaction. I'm not seeing the viewers, the Khasi people in my video. I don't know why guys. It is only when I post about Shillong that is when I see a lot of people outside here. Yeah, don't be so mean guys. I know I have been to Shillong. I visit a lot of places there in Northeast, starting from Assam, and I really explored Meghalaya enough. Been to Sohra, been to Nong Krems Festival, experienced a lot of culture and tradition of Khasi people, and I thought like coming back home to share with you the other side of mine, maybe Africa and the countries that you should learn or know something about it, because we don't know guys. Maybe one day you might plan to visit Africa, or maybe one day guys you might find a job in Africa, or maybe one day your co-worker will be from Africa guys. So I'm just requesting all the family, if you're watching from Meghalaya, just let me know in the comment section, and keep staying tuned guys for all the vlogs, because yeah, if you guys are still with me, for sure I will come back to Shillong. Shillong is a really amazing place, and I really love the food, the culture, the tradition and the people. So this is Uganda, Kampala guys. Like coming back to this East Africa country guys, like for sure the culture is different, the food is different. So guys, I wanted to remind you that I did not really forget all the good time and the amazing experience that I had in Shillong, and I really miss my favorite dishes, Khasi Shillong food like Jali Jado guys, and Trumbai guys, Trumbai, but I will not go for Trumbai again. I just miss Jali Jado so bad. So this is the view of Kampala, Uganda guys. So Kampala is the capital city of Uganda, and Uganda has 30 million population as a country, and at the same time people here speak English, most of the people, but they have the local language as Luganda. Like similarly guys, like back in the history of Shillong, Meghalaya, if I'm not wrong, they used to have one greatest king who fought for their freedom. So Uganda used to have this type of kingdom where they was having a kingdom, and they used to have a king who used to fight for them. But now it's not a kingdom anymore. Like now Uganda has its own president. There is no any kingdom things again here. And the same thing in Shillong, now they have their own chief minister. So this is what is happening similarly here in Kampala guys. And in Kampala here like people love to eat what they call chapat, guys. People eat chapat, and at the same time, like people also love to eat what they call rice, and they have their own unique special dishes here in Uganda. Local food especially, which is totally different compared to khasi people. And yeah, I love khasi food, guys, and I really miss it. And what made me to love khasi food, guys, is like, you know, khasi people, like they are not like the other state of India. They don't use too much of masala and spices. Their way of cooking is so unique and amazing, because I'm not a big fan of eating spiciness, or I'm not big fan of chili. So I thought to connect back with you guys by sharing this. Just know I miss you guys, I miss the food, the culture. And I am currently in Uganda, Kampala. I am exploring. Make sure to check other vlogs, guys, of mine here in Kampala, because you don't know, maybe one day you will find yourself maybe in any part of East Africa. I used to see a lot of Indians outside here, guys, but most of them used to be from north and south, if I'm not wrong. But I've never met any khasi person here in Uganda so far, and that is not a problem. We'll be connected. We are still connected, in touch through social media, guys. So just let me know, guys, what do you want to watch and what kind of video that I should do for you, because I'm now exploring Africa and the life is just amazing here, guys. Yeah, so that's it, and let's see the view of Uganda, guys. This is Kampala, the capital city of Uganda. Here the place, guys, you see all around, you see those boda, and here those a lot of bikers, you see them around here, guys. This is what they call it, boda. You can see on my right side the main and the major, which they call it boda. You can see, guys, on my right side or in front of me is all what they call it, boda. This is the major way of transport here in Kampala, guys. Like, this is the easiest. Why you see a lot of boda people outside here? Because, guys, in Kampala, Uganda, like there is a lot of traffic jam which used to happen in the city. So people mostly use boda to beat the traffic, guys. And second thing, guys, people love music here. You can see, like, people love everywhere. You will find them enjoying and playing music. And boda is the major way of transport here in Kampala.